Okay, this little video is to satisfy the insurance company requirements or request that I remove the tree limbs that were overhanging my house. This is Bob Sweeney, 2205 Fieldstone Court, Mobile, Alabama 36695. Today is April the 12th at 9:09 a.m. So you can see pretty clearly that the limbs that were anywhere close have been trimmed, and you can see the actual work where they took off limbs there, and on that tree right there, several limbs, two limbs, limb there, and this one right there, and then on this tree closest to me right there and there. So quite a bit of work. And I'm going to spin around to the side, and there was this tree, there were limbs on that tree that were actually touching the house. Now they're no longer touching or close to touching the house. And you see, here we go. Hope this is satisfactory.